Hi there. Welcome to another Let's Party video. This is where I like to drive my Traxxas around. This is my backyard. I'm trying to make a stadium here. You can't really see it, I guess, but I failed. So I like to drive it around here in the mulch. See if I can find any marks from... There's some right around there. I'm going to drive it out around here someday. Oh, in the playhouse? Yeah, that was from years ago. Can't believe we even still have it. And that, I'm a little young for that, but I still use it sometimes. Anyway, I'm going to make a video of it going out there soon. So far, I'm sticking to right here in the mulch. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe to the Let's Party channel.